I'm Susan Lee, a body talk practitioner, and I'm here with my husband, author of Do It Yourself Health Maintenance Plan. It's a nice complement to the body talk system. The body talk, of course, works with the subconscious mind and highlighting information that we're not aware of that's happening inside of us is more of the things that are controllable, that are in your awareness, and it just brings it to highlight. Can you tell us a little bit about your book, Roger?
Sure. I started just trying to improve my own health, and of course, came across many things that I thought were useful. And I kept on collecting little tidbits and decided to make a book out of it. So I came up with 27 different topics that could affect your health. And when you examine these factors, you can rate yourself and fill out a scorecard, which will make it very easy for you to understand where more maintenance is required. Maintenance has been a big part of my life, as I worked as the greenskeeper at Wildwood Golf Course for 43 years. So maintaining the grass and the equipment and the staff. So now I'd like to maintain my health a little better. And I came up with this, and I think it'd be very helpful.
This book is available on Amazon for just under $16 Canadian funds, and please check it out. Thanks for watching.